In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Ninjatrader Performance Report. By the end, you'll know exactly how to generate a clean, accurate summary of your trading results for any period you choose. First, open Ninjatrader 8. When the platform loads, you'll see the Control Center. Think of this as your home base. It's where you manage workspaces, connections, and reports. From here, go to the top menu and choose New, then select Trade Performance. This opens the dedicated window where all performance analysis happens. In the Trade Performance window, set the from and to dates for the range you want to analyze. Use this to target exactly what matters, maybe last week, the previous month, or a custom date span that covers a strategy test. Keep in mind the report uses execution timestamps, so if you trade instruments that move through the evening or overnight sessions, make sure your date range fully brackets those trades. If your results seem unexpectedly low or high, the date range is often the first thing to double-check. Next, refine what's included by clicking the filter icon. You can pick specific accounts, instruments, and ATM strategies. This is helpful for separating live and simulated results, focusing on one symbol at a time, or isolating trades that used a particular ATM template. If you're not familiar with the term, an ATM strategy in NinjaTrader is a saved set of rules for stops and targets that's applied when you place a trade. Use filters to keep your data clean and comparable. For example, only your live account and a single instrument, so you're not mixing different approaches in the same report. If you want a broad view, simply leave the defaults to include everything. When your dates and filters are set, click Generate. NinjaTrader will compile the performance report for that period. You'll see headline statistics such as net profit, win rate, average trade, and drawdown, along with a detailed list of trades and aggregated results by instrument or time period. If commissions are configured in your platform, net figures will reflect them. If not, remember that gross results may look higher than what a brokerage statement shows. Use this report to spot strengths and weaknesses. Are certain instruments more consistent, or do particular days show more volatility in results? That's all there is to it. Open NinjaTrader 8, go to Trade Performance, set your dates, choose any filters you need, and click Generate. With a well-defined range and clean filters, the performance report becomes a reliable, repeatable way to evaluate your trading.